Hi, my dear friends. My pranam to all of you. Myself, I'm Devi Chakka from New Jersey, USA, and I'm sharing some of my knowledge, a little knowledge about Devi Navaratri and Vijayadashami celebrations. And in this journey, we entered into fourth day of celebrations. Oh my God, what a wonderful journey! We start beautiful wisdom journey through this special days, my dear friends. I'm feeling blessed and enjoying from bottom of my heart. So, before going to today's wisdom, I would like to thank my mom, Krishnaveni ma'am, for giving this wonderful wisdom to me, and my heartfelt tributes to Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, my Guruji. So, today's goddess name. Today is fourth day of Devi Navaratri, and today goddess name is Kushmanda Devi. As I told you before, all these Devi and goddess forms are forms of our own energy. All these goddess forms representing our own energies within us. We have to understand how to access and how to utilize those energies in a positive way. So today's goddess name is Kushmanda Devi, and there is energy behind Kushmanda Devi, that is creativity. Creativity is one of the characteristic of our soul, my dear friends. Do you know how this creativity comes out from us? We may think that creativity will come out of thinking, but the truth is creativity comes out of space, my dear friends, which means the thoughtless state of your mind. With meditation's help, we can improve our creativity like anything, because meditation will bring that empty space in your mind. Where create that empty space, where creativity, all this creativity take power, that space will create in our mind through meditation. We need this creativity in all aspects of our lives. We need creativity in cooking, teaching, playing, working. Basically, in every aspect of our life, we need this creativity. And the next level, we understand how we are creating our own lives with our thoughts and emotions, beliefs, with our feelings, because all these things will take a big role of creating our life. No matter you're aware or not, we create our reality. We are creating our life each and every moment. My dear friends, but the moment you realize how we are creating our lives, we stop creating nonsense, my dear friends. Once we know our true self, we become alert and aware. Yesterday we came to know about the Chandraghanta Devi, awareness, alertness and awareness. Once we become aware and alert, we come to know we come to know and we understand the greater reality, how we live with how the great we are, how divine beings we are, but how we are living with ignorance. So we become alert and we try to live according to our true nature. Our creative power will develop along with that awareness, my dear friends. Normally, we can react according to our situations and daily basis of life, whatever you face. But with our spiritual understanding and meditation practice, you start creating instead of reacting. Once you are aware of your creative power, if you can start creating your life. If you react, you can lose all your energy. If you react, you are acting according to your situations. You are not independent. You don't have any control over your life. But when you start creating, instead of reacting, you can continuously create your life with your choice. You're not affected by other people sayings and their beliefs and their behavior, situations in your life. For example, someone scold you or blame you without any mistake. If you are not aware of your wisdom and energies, you react with negative emotions like sadness, anger, feeling like a victim, all these things. But when you start meditating and practicing awareness with this beautiful understanding, whatever they said, you understand, whatever they said, it's their opinion. So we don't need to give any importance to that. We can react. If you react, we lose our energy. So you can instead of reacting, you can start creating, generating positive energy, my dear friends. Basically, there are two kinds of things on the earth. The first one is energy, and second one is matter. Energy will create matter, but we often forget that we could create. We forget that we are creators and we attach to that material things. We attach ourselves to that material things. It is bandha, my dear friends. We came to know about bandha in our Arshad Varga session. When we step out of material attachments and increase our energy, we create abundance, happiness, and harmony in our life. The entire universe is filled with abundance. Only because of our poverty consciousness, our limited thinking, and negative patterns, we experience all difficulties and lack in our life. This is what we need to learn and practice from Devi Kushmanda. We have ultimate creative energy. We can create abundance in our life. Whatever you want, you can create that things. Creativity is our characteristic, my dear friends, our soul's characteristic. So now it's time to recite two slokas from Ekavimsati Stotram. What a wonderful stotram, my dear friends, Ekavimsati Stotram. There is wonderful, beautiful discrimination, clear discrimination, how these divine energies will work within us. And today also we look at two slokas of Ekavimsati Stotra. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Chetanebhya Vidhiyate Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. This means Devi will be within us in the form of intelligence. We increase our intelligence with the help of our spiritual practices and meditation. And we all have inner intelligence, my dear friends, which takes care of all our involuntary activities like heartbeat, digestion system, creating new cells, healings, etc. We don't know what and how to do all these things, because all these things inside happening with help of inner intelligence. Inner intelligence will take care. And there is a higher intelligence which take care of universal things like movements of sun, earth, and all other planets, changing seasons, and making rain, all other things, many things, the plants and animals. So higher intelligence will work. And when we operate ourselves with ignorant mind, we interrupt our inner intelligence with our fears and assumptions. So our inner intelligence not able to do their work. And we also interrupt higher intelligence by polluting and killing animals, my dear friends. Once you awake, my dear friends, you cooperate and let that inner intelligence and higher intelligence do their work. If you interrupt this intelligence, you can create a lot of mess in your life and in the universe, nature as well. So coming to our second sloka. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Smritirupena Samstita Namah Tasyai Namah Tasyai Namah Tasyai Namo Namaha, which means memory power. Devi, divinity, is within us as a form of memory power, my dear friends. We all need this energy in our life. No matter what you understand, no matter what you learn or what you understand, to access that, you must need this memory power. You must access with your memory power when times come. When time comes to do that, apply that into our life. There is nothing we are unable to do. do nothing to without this memory power, my dear friends. There is one tip to improve this memory power. If you live in this present moment, your memory power will improve. You can access and recall whatever you learn, whatever you need at this right moment. But if you live in in the past and future, you can lose your memory. There are another aspect of memory. We have conscious mind and subconscious mind. We have all memories from your past lives and experiences, interlife states, mother from your mother wombs and childhood. Everything will there recorded in our subconscious mind. With the help of meditation, we can access some of our memories from those subconscious mind, which help us and give clarity and clues in this present life, like why we are holding some kind of fears from childhood, why we choose these parents and this particular problem, and what is our purpose of life, etc. We are able to know all these things through accessing our subconscious memories. Even though people even though people born in the same family, they completely different because they come from different incarnations, right? If you look at the siblings, the soul's journey varies from each other. So we have all that memories in subconscious mind. When you meditate, you can access some of those memories. Those memories really helpful in this current life, my dear friends. When we access those memories, we understand why we are having some problems and understand why situations coming, all these situations coming according to our own karmic patterns. So we come to know and we come out of all those blaming, judgment, sadness, and victimhood. We ready to forgive people. We understand everything. So who giving suffering in our life, they are not giving all by themselves. That is our own karmic pattern. The moment you understand, you forgive them, you're able to forgive. And when you forgive them, the healing process will begin and everything will transform, my dear friends. So this smriti will take very important role in our spiritual process, my dear friends, in our daily basis of life. This energy is a very important energy. So this is what I'm going to share today with you, and we can access all these energies through meditation and book reading and listening to the people participating in Sajjana Sangatya. Today's goddess name is Kushmanda Devi. Mata Kushmanda represent creative energy. To unlock our creative energy, we have to do meditation, make space in our mind, empty space in our mind, my dear friends. So let's do it. Let's start meditation now. Please sit in your comfortable position with your crossed clasped fingers and crossed feet. Close your eyes. Take off your glasses if you have any. And be with your breath. Normal, natural, easy, soft flow of your breathing, my dear friends. Don't inhale or exhale forcefully. Just be with your normal, natural flow of breathing. Surasampurnakalasam रुधिरालुप्तमेव च दधाना हस्तपद्माभ्यां कूष्माण्डासु बधास्तु मे दधाना करपत् सुरासम्पूर्णकलसं रुधिरालुप्तमेव च दधाना हस्तपद्माभ्यां कूष्माण्डासु बधास्तु मे. We can create so many subhas, so many good things when you unlock our creative energy, my dear friends. To create those good things in our life, we have to unlock our we have to unlock our creative energy. With alertness, we are able to make our mind empty. When you make your mind empty, you can unlock your creative energy, my dear friends. When you unlock your creative energy, ultimate abundance will flow into your life. धनलक्ष्मी घनलक्ष्मी भजे कनकधारा, धनलक्ष्मी घनलक्ष्मी भजे कनकधारा, मनसा शिरसा नमामि माङ्गल्यप्रदायिनी, धनलक्ष्मी घनलक्ष्मी भजे कनकधारा. सर्वजीव जीविता सर्वमोदकारिणी, निर्वेदहरां सान्तां निर्वचनातीतां त्वाम्. सर्वजीव जीविता सर्वमोदकारिणी, निर्वेदहरां सान्तां निर्वचनातीतां त्वाम्. धनलक्ष्मी घनलक्ष्मी भजे कनकधारा. Live our life with our wisdom, my dear friends, according to our wisdom. What a beautiful journey it is. विविध भोग विभवना प्रमिवल सौभाग्यदा, भव सौख्य प्रवर्धिनी नवनिधि समुपासिता. विविध भोग विभवना. We have many kinds of bhogas in our life. We are not here for roga, illness. We are here for bhoga, for celebration, my dear friends. So many kinds of celebration. We live like a celebrity when you unlock your creative energy within you. विविध भोग विभवना प्रमिवल सौभाग्यदा. This is our saubhagya, my dear friends. Our creative energy is our saubhagya, because we create whatever materials you want with your creative power. This is our saubhagya. We have to focus on our creative energy. विविध भोग विभवना प्रमिवल सौभाग्यता, भव सौख्य प्रवर्धिनी नवनिधि समुपासिता. धनलक्ष्मी घनलक्ष्मी भजे कनकधारा. हिरण्यरजतस्रजां वरेण्यरूपां नमां, शरण्यशरणां करुणां सर्वयोगकारिणी. Sarva-yogakarani. We have many yogas in our life, like Vahana Yoga, Gruha Yoga, Samsara Yoga, Vivaha Yoga, Dhana Yoga. Many kind of yogas. All these yogas come out of your Dhyana Yoga, my dear friends. That's what happened in Lord Krishna's life. He is a great Yogeshwara, Yogeshwar Krishna. And he created all other yogas with his Dhyana Yoga, my dear friends. विविध भोग विभवना प्रमिवल सौभाग्यदा, भव सौख्य प्रवर्धिनी नवनिधि समुपासिता. धनलक्ष्मी घनलक्ष्मी भजे कनकधारा, मनसा शिरसा नमामि माङ्गल्यप्रदायिनी. धनलक्ष्मी घनलक्ष्मी भजे कनकधारा. Last 1 minute. Be with your breath, my dear friends. Sura sampurna kalasam रुधिरालुप्तमेव च, दधाना हस्तपद्माभ्यां कूष्माण्डा सुबधास्तु मे. Slowly place your both hands on your eyes for 4 seconds. Touch your eyes with your fingertips gently. And whenever you are ready to open your eyes, take your hands off and open your eyes, my dear friends. Wonderful meditation. 1 month we have to do meditation practice according to our age. 20 years 20 minutes, 30 years 30 minutes, 40 years 40 minutes, my dear friends. That much meditation is need to make our mind empty, make that space, and unlock our creative energy in our life. So my dear friends, thank you so much for giving this wonderful support, giving your wonderful support to this audio and video series. And please, I came to know some people translating these sessions into their own language and giving wisdom into and the people who understand the local languages and everything. Please do that, my dear friends. And if you wish to share this wisdom in your own language, please do that, because whatever you share, that will come back 10 times more into your life, my dear friends. So we will again come tomorrow to know more wisdom about Lalit, these Devi Navaratris and Vijayadashmi. Please subscribe to our channel and please spread these videos to all your friends and families and well-wishers. We together we do this wonderful journey of wisdom, journey of Devi Navaratris. So please subscribe to our channel, Wisdom Led channel, PMC USA, PMC Multilingual, to get more and more wisdom. Thank you, my dear friends. See you all tomorrow.